Hello friend, in this video we will learn a quickest way to copy a text from image. Here I will use a Windows operating system and no need to install any extra software. We will use a snipping tool. So let's start with some sample image to copy a text. So first open the snipping and click on this new icon and take a snap. Click on this text action. Once this process is completed, copy all text. So all the extracted text will be copied. So let me check its value. Yeah, now let me take one more image. Again, take a new snap and click on this text action. Once the process done, then copy all text and we will check how it's the result. Yeah, text from image. Now we will copy a text from one of these image. Again, take a new snap. I will do up to this and click on the action and copy all text. Let me delete again. Yeah, so all the text will be copied out.